how to insert a checkbox in Microsoft Word on your Mac. So first option's easy by holding down Command Shift and the spacebar to bring up the character viewer. Now you want to expand it by pressing this little box here next to the search box. Then we want to search out for box and come down and you should find different boxes here. So you can have an empty checkbox or a checkbox with a crossing. You just double click it to add it to the document. You can highlight them and change the colour of the checkboxes if you wish. Now the second option is to come up to Developer here, then select Checkbox, and now once you've selected Checkbox you can choose Options and you can have it ticked. If you wish, press OK and it'll be a ticked checkbox. Now how do you get Developer options on Microsoft Word on your Mac? It's very easy. Come up to Word here in the top corner, then Preferences. Now select Ribbon and Tools and come down and make sure Developer is ticked. Then select Save and the developer options will be available. So that's two different ways how to insert a checkbox in Microsoft Word on your Mac. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.